She's doing addition and subtraction, 2 digits, 10 column, and she's doing these exercises inside her mind. It's a mental arithmetic of subtraction and addition, and time is 10 questions, only 3 minutes. What is mental arithmetic? Mental arithmetic is the process of doing addition, subtraction, or multiplication or division inside the mind without writing on the paper. How kids do this? They are using abacus to solve these questions. According to abacus beads, they are moving their hands, fingers on it and doing exercises. Without being abacus student, can't do these exercises. And sorry for this background sound. My 2 parrots are playing out there. Learn abacus, go to my channel, YouTube channel, and see episodes and try to practice. And if you have any comments, comment to me, mail to me, or message to me.